Top 5 Motorcycles in 2023. The street-legal motorcycle models that are currently on the market in the United States are highlighted in this 2023 Motorbike Buyer's Guide. We've had an opportunity to try a few of the handful 2023 models that have been announced so far, which are largely adventure bikes. We also offer a few 2024 teases. As more models become available, we will keep the information up to current, so be sure to bookmark this page and return frequently. Number 5. New and upgraded equipment will be included as standard in the 2023 Aprilia RS 660 Extrema. The bike still has a 659 cubic centimeters DOHC parallel twin engine with liquid cooling that is rated to produce 100 horsepower and 49.4 lb-ft of torque at 8,500 rpm. However, SC Project has added a lighter street-legal exhaust system with a carbon silencer on the right side and a new carbon engine undercover. The traction control, cornering ABS, engine brake, engine map, and wheelie control standard electronics on the RS 660 are all programmable. Number 4. The 2023 BMW M1000R is both the first M Roadster and the second model in the two-wheel M Motorsport series. Based on the current S1000R and S1000RR, the motorcycle. The new MR is equipped with BMW ShiftCam technology and the same water-cooled, inline-4, 999 cubic centimeters engine as the M1000RR, which is said to produce 205 horsepower at 13,500 rpm, 40 horsepower more than the S1000R and a little higher engine speed than the MRR. According to BMW, the new MR engine is much more powerful across the entire RPM range than the four-cylinder of the S1000R. The MR has 3 Pro race modes, 3 adjustable throttle characteristics, a slip/assist clutch, Shift Assistant Pro, and more. It has 4 ride modes: rain, road, dynamic race, and light white non-metallic. Number 3. The 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine from the 2023 BMW M1000RR and MRR M competition bike still has touring forged pistons, fully CNC machined intake ports, and BMW ShiftCam technology to adjust valve timing and lift. The engine is claimed to produce 205 horsepower at 13,000 rpm and 83 lb-ft of torque at 11,000 rpm. The bike provides the same ride modes and cutting-edge features that riders value. Regarding the 2023 BMW M1000RR's changes, BMW boasts enhanced downforce and improved top speed in one package as a consequence of advances in aerodynamics, including a newly designed fairing, updated M winglets, and improvements to the front end. Number 2. The 1,254 cubic centimeters two-cylinder air/liquid-cooled boxer engine with ShiftCam technology, rated at 136 horsepower and 105 ft-lbs of torque, is one of the many features of the 2023 BMW R1250R that are unchanged from the previous model year. However, BMW has made some improvements to the 2023 model. These include adding a new Eco Ride mode, light white with racing blue and racing red paint, a light white frame, gold front and rear brake calipers, and a blue front spoiler are all parts of the optional sport style. The black Storm paint, agate gray frame, gold front and rear brake calipers, and a stainless steel engine spoiler are included with the triple black style option. The 2023 BMW R1250 RS is still anticipated to hit American shores in the spring of 2023, with a starting price of $15,695.